Hey guys, Josh here with the Weekend Angler, and this week on Short Tip Saturday, I'm going to be showing you how to build a handy little tool that you can use to keep your boat in place anytime you're fishing around bridges. So stick around. Alright guys, fishing around and underneath bridges can be a very good spot, especially when you're targeting fish like crappie who relate to the vertical pylons under the bridge. And what we're going to be putting together this week is a simple little project that you can build at home and then throw in your boat, and it helps keep your boat in place when you're fishing under these bridges. So let's go ahead and step over to the workbench. I'll show you what we're working with today and just how easy it is to put one of these together.
Alright, let's take a look at the materials we'll be using. We're going to need a couple of 3-inch C-clamps, a couple of cold close links, and some paracord, and that's all we need. To begin, use a center punch to mark your C-clamp at the location shown in the lower corner. Now use a 5/16 inch bit to drill a hole at the marked location. Cut a piece of paracord 15 to 20 feet in length. And use a lighter or torch to melt the end of the paracord. This will prevent it from fraying. Place your cold shut link through the hole you drilled in your clamp. Now use a hammer, pliers, or vise to close your cold shut link. Attach the paracord to the link using your preferred knot. And pull the paracord to fully tighten the knot. To secure your boat, attach the clamp to the bridge and tighten it fully. Then fasten the paracord to an anchor cleat to complete the installation. With your boat secure, you are free to focus on catching fish. Look at that, doubles.
Alright guys, well that's going to pretty much bring us to the end of this week's video. Hope you saw just how easy it is to put one of these together. I recommend building at least 2 of them. That way you can anchor both the front and the back of your boat. If this video has helped you out, please take a moment, give it that thumbs up button. And if you're new to the channel, checking me out for the first time, guys, I post a fishing or boating related tip or trick video every week. So hit that subscribe button and that little bell next to it. That way you don't miss any videos. Guys, I hope this device helps you out. Hope it makes your trips out on the water even better and puts more fish in the boat, because that's what's important. Guys, take care. Appreciate you watching. And until next time, we'll catch you out on the water.